Hello everybody and welcome to Desensitization with Penny, leaf blower edition. Part of desensitization is loud noises, and I found a handheld leaf blower with a charging battery. Works really good because you can use it anywhere you want to. First step first with desensitization is the introduction of the item. Put your nose on it, face your fears. See, she put her nose on it, I'm going to release. Put your nose on it, release. Next, touch the animal with the item until she starts to see that it's not really going to hurt her. We're just touching her with it, and she's really kind of sensitive back here. But see, she looking somewhere else, worried about what the dog's doing. She's not really worried about this. So what you do on one side, you do on the other. Come on. I'm just going to turn her around over here so you can see. Again, let her put her nose on it. Well, I kind of had to do that. She's not really that interested. It's not really bothering her. And we touched her. Other side. Just kind of touching her with the item. Alright. She's pretty cool with just this. Now remember, we're going to introduce it to her. I'm going to have a loose hand. So if she goes, all this rope just goes out. That's not a big deal. But I'm going to kind of face away from her, and I'm going to walk away from her with the sound first. So I'm going to turn it on and see what she does. Turn it off and release. That was a really, really nice reaction. Now we're going to have the walk around, and it's going to walk away from her thing. So I'm going to turn it on, and she's going to follow me. Not bad. She totally just cocked a hoof. She didn't freak out. Come on. What we do on one side, we do on the other. Let her see it. Turn it on, face it away from her. And let her feel it. Well, that went way better than I had expected. So, leaf blower, desensitization. She's pretty cool with it. I'm pretty confident about it. That's a good way for her to get used to it. We're going to keep doing this a few more times, but the more we do it, the more she'll get used to it. Well, thank you very much on joining me on today's video. And if you want to see more desensitization videos, check out our desensitization playlist. And if you haven't already, please give us a like and subscribe. We'll have new content for you every week.